Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. Hello and welcome to our channel. We're so glad you're here. If you're passionate about technology, innovation, and how the digital world is transforming our lives, then you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most fascinating and rapidly evolving fields in tech, artificial intelligence, or AI for short. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to refresh your knowledge, this video will give you a solid foundation on what AI is, how it works, and why it matters. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's get started on this exciting journey into the world of artificial intelligence. Introduction to the topic. Artificial intelligence has been a buzzword in tech circles for years, but in recent times, it's moved from science fiction into our everyday lives. From voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to personalized recommendations on Netflix and even self-driving cars, AI is everywhere. But what exactly is AI? How did it come to be? What are the different types of AI, and what kind of real-world problems is it solving today? In this video, we'll cover all of that and more. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of the basics of AI, how it's categorized, and why it's being called the new electricity, something that's going to power and reshape our future. Main content. Let's begin by answering the most fundamental question: what is artificial intelligence? In simple terms, AI is the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think, learn, and make decisions. These machines are designed to mimic cognitive functions such as learning, problem-solving, pattern recognition, and even creativity. The term, artificial intelligence, was first coined in 1956 at the Dartmouth Conference, a gathering of researchers who believed that aspects of learning and intelligence could be simulated by machines. At that time, the dream was to create machines that could reason like humans. Over the decades, this field has seen several waves of optimism, followed by setbacks, commonly referred to as AI winters, before reaching the rapid advancement we are witnessing today. Now let's take a look at the types of AI. AI is typically categorized into three main types based on its capabilities: narrow AI, weak AI. This is the most common form of AI that exists today. It is designed to perform a specific task. Examples include voice assistants, facial recognition systems, and recommendation algorithms on streaming platforms. These systems are powerful in their specific domain but cannot perform tasks outside their designed function. General AI, strong AI. This type of AI, which we have not yet achieved, refers to a machine that possesses the ability to understand, learn, and apply intelligence across a wide range of tasks, just like a human. A general AI system would be able to switch between tasks, like driving a car, writing poetry, or doing scientific research, with the same proficiency as a person. Superintelligent AI. This is a hypothetical form of AI that surpasses human intelligence across all fields. Think of an AI that not only learns and reasons better than humans but also has consciousness and self-awareness. This type of AI is still theoretical and brings with it a host of ethical and philosophical questions. Now, let's talk about AI applications and real-world examples. AI is already playing a pivotal role in transforming industries. For instance, in healthcare, AI algorithms can analyze medical images to detect diseases like cancer earlier and more accurately than ever before. Companies like IBM Watson have developed AI systems that assist doctors in diagnosing and recommending treatment plans. In transportation, companies like Tesla and Waymo are working on autonomous vehicles powered by AI. These self-driving cars use a combination of sensors, computer vision, and deep learning to navigate roads and avoid obstacles. Another fascinating example is in finance, where AI is used for fraud detection. Machine learning algorithms analyze transaction patterns in real time to flag any suspicious behavior, preventing fraudulent activities almost instantly. Let's also consider natural language processing, a branch of AI responsible for enabling machines to understand human language. Chatbots, automated customer support, language translation services, and even voice-activated assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant rely heavily on NLP technologies. Now imagine a real-world scenario. Picture you're shopping online. You look at a few smartphones, compare features, but leave the site without buying. The next day, you notice ads for those very phones on your social media feeds and even in your email promotions. That's AI at work, tracking behavior, learning your preferences, and personalizing your online experience to drive engagement. Another scenario. You're using your favorite music streaming app. Over time, it starts recommending songs you didn't even know you'd love. That's machine learning in action, understanding your listening habits and improving suggestions over time. Tips, best practices. If you're interested in learning AI or just understanding how to work with it, here are some practical tips and best practices. 1. Start with the basics. Before diving into coding AI models, understand the core concepts like machine learning, neural networks, and data science. You don't need to be a mathematician, but a solid grasp of statistics and logic helps immensely. 2. Choose the right tools. There are many tools and platforms available, like Python, TensorFlow, Keras, and PyTorch, that make working with AI more accessible. Start with Python as it's beginner-friendly and widely used in the AI community. 3. Work on real projects. Theory is important, but hands-on experience is crucial. Try building a chatbot, a simple image classifier, or a recommendation engine using publicly available datasets. Kaggle is a great platform for finding projects and datasets to practice with. 4. Stay updated. AI is an ever-evolving field. Follow thought leaders, read research papers, and join AI communities on Reddit, LinkedIn, or Discord. Continuous learning is key. 5. Ethics matter. As powerful as AI is, it's important to consider the ethical implications. Be aware of biases in data, respect user privacy, and strive to build AI systems that are fair and transparent. And that wraps up Module 1, an introduction to artificial intelligence. We've covered a lot today, from the definition and history of AI to its types and real-world applications. AI isn't just a futuristic concept, it's already here, changing our world one algorithm at a time. Whether you're a student, a tech enthusiast, or just curious, understanding AI is essential in today's digital landscape. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We'd love to hear your thoughts. What excites you most about AI? What would you like us to cover next in this series? Drop your questions in the comments below and stay tuned for the next module, where we'll explore how machine learning powers AI. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.